Did you know that you're stuck on a loop? Don't believe me? Well, I'll show you. In life, we unconsciously go through a bunch of different loops every day, and we don't even know it. Is it some kind of mystical creature pulling all sorts of levers and buttons, pushing and asking you what to do every day? Well, no. Apart from yourself, I guess, if you consider yourself a gremlin. A normal example, if you have a normal working job, you wake up in the morning, you brush your teeth, you eat breakfast, you go to work, eat lunch, you work more, you eat dinner, you work more, you go home, and you sleep. That's kind of like the basic, it's one kind of loop for a working adult, I would say. A simpler example is this: eat, sleep, and shit. You cannot tell me that you do not do any of these three unless you're A, starving, or B, sleep deprived. I believe that the easiest way for you to learn and grasp loops, or any Python concept actually, is to learn and understand that you're already applying them in your everyday lives. Now let me bring you back to the Python side of things. In Python, there are two different kinds of loops. There are the while loops as well as the for loops. If there are any other loops out there that I did not mention, I'm sorry. It's not that I don't care about you, but I don't know you even exist. If you want to share them with me, tell them with me in the comments below. Settle, I'm sorry. Anyways, let's quickly jump right into the first loop, a while loop. What is a while loop? A while loop repeats a set of actions, or code, until a certain condition is broken. What I mean by that? If my condition is to run 3 rounds around the block, then I have to keep on running until I've ran and reached my goals.
Alright guys, just finished my run and we'll just jump right back into the video.
A for loop goes through each and every item within a collection until the last one. Uh-oh, warning, big word alert. Turn down your volume right now if you don't want to hear it. It's called iteration. It's the act of going through a bunch of items. So it just means go through, but it's a cooler word. What the hell even is the use of a for loop, you may ask? Well, one common example is you going through your bag and finding your stuff. Remember you working every single weekday because you're stuck in a loop of work? Well, think about it on a macro level. You're working because you're stuck in a loop of, while I haven't made enough money to retire, I'll keep on working. Or for the more positive ones, and the one I personally like, is, while I still love the work I do, I'll keep working.
But just for example purposes, we'll go with the first one.
So you don't have enough money when you work, and you don't have enough money to retire. Well, you work, you gain a little bit of money, and then you check, oh, do I have enough money to retire yet? If you don't, what do? Well, you go back into the loop of work over and over and over again. One day, you earn enough money to retire, and then you're broken out of the loop. So whether or not it's due to our goals, our obligations, our habits, or societal expectations, we're all using loops on a daily basis. Same in programming. Now, for the special bonus, else clause for loops. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys, I didn't even know that it existed until I was researching the topic for this video. Like seriously, else clause for loops, who would have thought? Personally, when I'm doing my code, I just do a for loop and then I just chuck whatever if statements I need below it, right? That's how I do it. But now there's an else clause directly to loops, like it didn't make sense to me, right? So I did some research, can have like something rolling over here and me scrolling through the documents. From my understanding, and I did a reading for you so you don't, is that the else clause is only activated whenever the for loop naturally ends. So for you nerds out there that know what this means, that means that if you call a break statement within your for loop, then it's not a natural break, and the actions within your else clause won't be triggered. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you found it entertaining, educational, and motivational? Yeah, whatever. Motivational. Sure, let's go with it. And if you like this type of content, leave a like. If you want to, subscribe. If you think this video can be improved or you just want to shit on me in the comments, you can do that in the comments below. Yeah, and I think there's other videos here. Watch them if you have time, if you're interested. Anyways, bye. Oh, hey there. Did you know that you're stuck on a loop?